Other questions? Yes.
Because I see this a lot, people that are being introduced, there's like 5 pages, and it's like, I don't need to listen to the person because you've already told me everything about them. And I noticed your introduction was very brief, which gave you the opportunity to expand.
Absolutely. And I don't know what to tell you other than when I coach people, I coach them to keep those introductions short. And one thing that helps with that, a lot of people, they feel like this person is so important. I don't want to shortchange them. And the rule is, the more important the person, the shorter the introduction needs to be. Really, you can introduce anyone in 30 seconds. Okay? The other thing to keep in mind is you're not giving people the biography. You just want to give them a taste. So I think you're absolutely right. In any setting, I would say 1 minute is a maximum. 30 seconds to 1 minute for an introduction is great.